Bia Kamal Nuer online TV channel kajan guasme ban rachme ban jakwen. Ban rach ban jaling ke kwisha kan cha kwanya la ɣickɔnɛmik ke ta dan anti economy ke jare wish ka South Sudan kwaren pai kwany. Ban mandanu chalat ban jaling ka jalerame. Ta dan en we South Sudan we ke je ko ngai kona gwanu economic dung South Sudan che je ka long ka jan guasme jan guen no South Sudan che tul yo rep kan rodien la pega dollar ke ta dan pa ka yo ke je no ala chi chiang che bech. So ban mishit kan me ban jaling kel kan kono nyamre ler kan me mi jiram jidit kan war online TV channel daga jeno jinder subscribe ki de je nyona azin ko kin gor jeno ba jinder notification bell de twain ko mete mishi barech da shwa mala shubu ka jika gwasa dan en charge la rike ban ler me ban jaling kel minister atong kwal manyang juk atong kol manyang juk jen atong anya ngade la gwan jen chwali kol manyang juk dio ne dial ngai kana rewi ka South Sudan politician chala do jen chala de che to kan wala ka muktäp en cha kwinten cha kwin ka national minister dung trade kana industry cha kwin ka chang ka wal ka pai diok ron kina dangro jen dangro de diech ka shwa ja laslet ka shanka waro ka pai diok ron kin dangro jen dangro wirdi ja kirma yadit shelad no belet kel kanetin tega muktäp da lana dialen kontin tilet ka ja kel ketin lat ke ɣickɔnɛmik ka muktäp dung national minister of trade and industry so churaj mo cha ja kwen jane gwawde na let kel la bon mele kel jela do la kula we gwayo jene bene dial bu let kel ko jen do dan ba wuj ba kul nang niam ko ja jene bu tin content ngwan ko wuj South Sudan bu kana lat kel kana jen bono mo sel no gwawo ba wuj kambang tin yam ka kwilat ka kwi nyagasa no ka kwi kok no ngwani kene kok ngwani ka kwi investor ne ton content kwi invest ka South Sudan cha one diala to kan ne tin yam ton ba kam priority ke ten ba kam bang tin yam en shega me cha kon let la kwar ka gwatati jen cha kon a deputy governor of Jonglei state karon kina dangro jen dangro kin dangro jen dangro widu ngwana be ka jen ron kin dangro jen dangro di cha me jen muktäp da ne kwala pai witin ba ja kula kwanyen wala lo bayara bala kwar national minister of trade and industry promising economic growth and collaboration and ana jara kula no ba tedi alba galat ka kwide jen ja kona deputy governor ka Jonglei state ka 2024 ba 2025 me anyok jen ja kona minister of animal resources rewika South Sudan animal resources fisheries and tourism karon kina dangro wir jen dangro wir dio ko karon kina dangro jen dangro wir ngwan chako let ka muktäp mo gwad me nyok che nyok let ka muktäp do den me la minister of health karon kina dangro jen dangro wir kelo karon kina dangro jen dangro wir dio che let ten minister of health nyok jen che let ka minister of information and communication technology re wich ka South Sudan karon kina dangro wir wal bada kalo jen che le longolo el shega mai chaje kwanya long ka muktäp to dit ten content te ten lo ngaje ten diala lat karodien jen shega de daro jen shega dan cha kwany lo bi let ka national minister of trade and industry jen nyawu no man chal ka kol manyang juk jen chala atong jaram la minister tema ki jaram danan bi dialen kon lat ka bagla re wich ka South Sudan baje kwen ya ka to English ka do bran cha kwena Minister Atong Kwal Manyang Juk assumed office today on March 13, 2025 in the office of National Minister of Trade and Industry, promises economic growth and collaboration. In a significant for South Sudan economic landscape, Atong Kwal Manyang Juk as official assumed the role of National Minister of Trade and Industry following her appointment by President Salva Kiir on March 10, 2025, after being sworn in on March 12, 2025. Minister Atong Kwalmanyangjuk expressed her commitment to working closely with ministry staff and leadership to foster economic growth and enhance trade policies and promote industrial development. During her inaugural address, Atong emphasized the importance of teamwork, inclusive leadership, highlighting that cooperation, transparency, and efficiency are essential in tackling the economic challenge facing the nation and creating opportunities for business and investors in South Sudan. During her speech, Minister Atong highlighted her track record in various government roles, where she got so much experiences before her new position. Her previous role include Deputy Governor of Jonglei State from 2024 to 2025, Minister of Animal Resources, Fisheries and Tourism from 2023 to 2024, Minister of Health from 2021 to 2023, Minister of Information and Communication in 2018. In a new capacity, Atong pledged to promote innovation and collaboration within the ministry, focusing on several key objectives, including enhancing trade policies to benefit local business, supporting industrial growth and job creation, improving South Sudanese standing in regional and global markets, fostering partnership to attract investment and drive economic development. These are the roles that emanates before, and the South Sudanese are hoping for more growth on his office so that he can make the economic growth with collaborating with the minister in the South Sudan.